Yeah, I can't see this damn optic, bro. I can't see this fucking optic. I can't see the optic. So I got a few bunch of optics on me today. We finna test them, torture them, slightly beat the shit out of them. Not too much though. I ain't got the big 2x4 I had with the other optic that y'all didn't like. But I got the Gideon Mediator, CYELEE with SyZero, and I got the Fox Army FXA 12. I just got this when they just sent this over, so we're gonna be testing it out today. Last we got the CYELEE Bear. I didn't have this one for a minute. I'm pretty sure the closed emitter's gonna hold up, but you never know. I never tested them. I zeroed everything at home, and I'm finna put a few shots through them just to show y'all that they are zeroed, because I want y'all thinking like I didn't zero the optic before I came out here and, you know, beat the shit out of them. All right, first up, we got the CYELEE with SyZero. I didn't had this on here for a minute. At first, I had problems with it staying zero because I didn't properly put the optic on. That's on me. That was a few months back. I see I threw my JTT barrel in there. Let's get, ooh, I don't like that. Let's get a headshot on this paper target. I'll go show y'all every single shot after I'm done. CYELEE with SyZero. This damn thing up. The CYELEE. Damn. We got the CYELEE Bear. It sound like he over there shooting a shotgun. Why's all these low? Oh, this one ain't zero for shit. Let me see. Oh yeah, it is. Why am I tripping? Why am I tripping? No, it's not. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Now we got the Fox Army FXA 12. Now we got the Gideon Mediator. Pretty sure this one's spot on. How many pistols we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. This was from the oh, this was from the Gideon. Nope. Oh, this was from the CYELEE Bear. I was tripping. I don't know what I was doing, but we got 4 headshots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the red dots are sighted in. I think I was pulling these with the CYELEE Bear, so that's on me. Actually, I'm gonna go back and see if I'm actually tripping or not, because I don't want to blame myself if the optic is not zeroed. I zeroed them all at the crib, so let's go again. So we're doing the CYELEE Bear again. Yeah, we're gonna do the CYELEE Bear again. Oh yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I was tripping, y'all. It's good. Shoot. We good. All pistols are cleared. Now we're gonna do the same thing to every optic. We're gonna slap it 6 times. Now, we're gonna toss them 3 times from waist height. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's take these things back down here and actually see if they centered, man. See if they stay centered. Now, I also got some water I'm gonna pour on here. If they still zero, we're gonna see if they make it that far. We got the Fox Army FXA up first. We're gonna go all body shots this time. We're gonna do 2 shots. I don't even know where them went. Say we was doing body shots. Okay, yeah, both body shots. I couldn't see them. Bam. All right, up next, we got the SyZero with Zero. This one just why does this one keep going low? No, this just won't go higher. Yeah, that's low. We can still see it, but it's way too low to even pick up for real. But I can see it on a white piece of paper. But we ain't gonna be crying. Let's go. Hey, it's zero though. Look, I was aiming for the heart, man. It's zero though. We good. I can't complain if it's if it's working. All right, up next we got the Gideon Mediator. We're gonna go left side this time. I think I missed that one. Ah, man, we good. Yep. I was aiming on the left side. I know I hit right here, but I reshot it and we got these. So now I'm not really like taking my time getting like precision shots. I'm just seeing if it's hitting where I point the gun to, and it's still zero. Now up next we got this SyZero Bear. We're gonna go bottom of the stomach. We're gonna go bottom of the stomach with this one. And that damn bee following. Bottom of the stomach. We good. Now let's just see if they pass this baby water test. Hopefully all these optics pass this baby water test, because if not, then I don't know what to tell you. Shit. Listen, I'm just finna pour water on these optics. I ain't submerging them in water. We just gonna see if they can take it. You thirsty, ain't you? Damn. Get off me. We're gonna do another one too. I don't know why I tried to pour it in there like it's an open emitter. Dumbass. Now, the only reason I didn't submerge them in water is because if my whole gun in water, bro, you might as well send me to the upper room, bro. If that's the case. But let's see if they can take getting wet. We're gonna go. We finna shoot at this little paper target. We're gonna go. What up? It stays zero. I ain't gonna walk down there, but y'all should believe me. I showed y'all everything else, but oh, yeah, that's money. I'm locking that slide. That's money though. I'm locking that slide. That's why I don't like Glocks. Well, I don't like Glocks with the standard slide release. I'm locking that motherfucker back. I don't believe in the SyZero. Oh man, I can't see it. I can't see it, bro. And my paper moving. I'm gonna show y'all my paper. That's. Man, come on, bro. Look, we got a jam from this one. Yeah, I can't see this damn optic, bro. I can't see this fucking optic. I can't see the optic. And it won't turn up. Let me see. Man. The optic is there, but I cannot see it. It's just a little red dot. Let me see if I can turn it down, then turn it up. Nope, don't tell me that's the highest it go. That's ass. Yeah, that's ass. Now, this slide is from Delta Team Tactical. This is an SCT frame. Oh, man. Shit. Yeah, that optic ass. Man. What is going on? What is going on with this? There we go. Another one. It always tend to fail. God damn. It always tend to fail. I'm doing a review. And it's not me. It's not me limp wristing the gun, bro. It's not me limp wristing the gun. SyZero, it held 0, but the dot can't get brighter. I don't know what to say about that. This one's still wet. We got the Fox Army FXA 12. Oh yeah, this is bright. All right, now look. That ain't me locking this slide back. That's not me locking this slide back. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. No, that's not me. That's the fucking gun. It's a double. It was finna double feed. It's not me. It's the gun. It's not me. It's the gun, man. Yeah, it's not me, it's the gun. It's not me, it's the gun, bro. It's the gun. I thought I fixed it. Shit. The dot held 0 though. I thought I fixed it. Look at the slide release. If I pick it up, it's gonna stay picked up. And if you look on the inside, I'm gonna take it to the table and I'm gonna show y'all how much this thing is rubbing up against the frame. Yeah, this is not right. That's supposed to go back down. What we doing, Bear Creek? Listen to it. Listen to it. You can hear it rubbing up against it. Let me see. Where my hat at? You can hear it. So look, the Grizzly is good. It's just they slide release is not properly made. It's not properly fit. To make a long story short, it's some bullshit. The gun is good, but the slide release is some bullshit. So